Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next. Today, I'll show you how to install Python 3.13.2 on Windows 10 or 11 in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Here, type to search python.org. Click on Downloads tab. Now, select Python 3.13.2 for Windows. Wait for the installer to download. Make sure you're downloading the latest official version to avoid security risks. Now open the Python 3.13.2.exe file. Check Use admin privileges when installing Python and add Python to path. Very important. Click on Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Checking Add Python to Path makes it easier to run Python commands from the terminal. Don't skip this step. After, let us verify installation. Open Command Prompt. Press Win+R. Type CMD and hit Enter. Now, here type Python space version and press Enter on your keyboard. If Python is installed correctly, you'll see Python 3.13.2. That's it. You've successfully installed Python 3.13.2 on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any issues. See you in the next one.